Machiegni weche manyien mag migago nyinga Milton Ochieng. Gavana ma kaunti ma Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga kawuono gweyo tao kaka jalup jakom riwruog Gavanas bang' tipo moro make koba dhoge kendo goyo siboi ewi tho mar ogai Raila Odinga, gino mane omiyo oganda olawe e wach Otieno Tulu e yor mbui. Kahiga nokwayo ng'uono familia mar Odinga kuom weche manowacho, kowacho ni ne ok gin weche mane ogoyogo siboi. Bende owacho ni wechego ok mag oganda Jo-Kikuyu to gin mana wechene owuon.
Was taken while attending a burial in my home village, and my remarks were in no way celebratory. What I meant is that under the current broad-based government, we have seen skewed development, and politically, the loss of the Right Honorable former Prime Minister Raila Odinga sends everyone back to the drawing board. As the popular saying goes, God takes the best, and it is in this context that I made those remarks in vernacular. Let me also make it clear that the remarks I made are my personal views and therefore should in no way be associated with the community's position or any political affiliation, nor the Council of Governors. Finally, in noting the huge public interest that this issue has generated, I am taking responsibility of the real and perceived meaning of my remarks, and as a result, therefore, I have decided that with immediate effect, I am going to step down as the Vice Chair of the Council of Governors. And as I do that, I also pray that the soul of the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga continue resting in eternal peace.